He's funny. We haven't even started. He is adventurous, and he is much loved. Our next guest is a chef and newly minted author who joins us to chat about his first cookbook called A Cookbook. Matty Matheson is here this morning. You got all your stuff together.
I got stuff here.
Are you good?
Yeah, we're very good. This is nice. So this is my this is nice. In the morning, you always want to eat grilled oysters.
Perfect.
And my grandfather, Grampy Matheson, his name was Grampy, and we used to go down to the Northumberland Strait and we would shuck oysters and we would grill them on his little hibachi in his driveway. It was really nice. We should make some stuff. Do you want to make some stuff?
I absolutely want to make some stuff.
Can you blend up that butter?
I will do
So we're going to make a compound butter. Does everybody, you know what a compound butter is?
No.
Compound butter is like a butter and then you put stuff into it.
Okay.
That's it. Ingredients, you can put garlic, parsley, herbs. Okay. It's really nice. Some lemon zest if you wanted. Fresh garlic. Wow. Do you like garlic?
This is the most cooking anyone has ever let me do on this show.
Well, you got to, we got to start somewhere. There has to be a good starting point. I'm going to shuck some oysters. Do you like oysters?
I love oysters.
Oh, me
Listen,
too.
I've been up since 3, my friend. This is good.
Up since 3. I've been up since 7. I set an alarm at 7 o'clock.
Ooh, that's garlicky.
So you guys shuck some oysters, and then we're gonna add some of that butter to this, okay?
Okay.
Is the pan hot? Who cares?
Okay. I'm gonna check. All right.
That's good. So just, unlike cookie batter, you don't want to lick those because that's just butter. Don't lick that.
And then we're gonna do what with them?
We're gonna put this in a pan. Well, we would usually have a barbecue, but we don't really have that.
Okay.
And this is cold. This looks nice, doesn't it? Oh my goodness.
That's all gonna melt.
My cookbook's very different than this live performance, obviously. How are you doing?
Better. I'm doing excellent.
So just a little bit of butter, and then it melts, and then we're gonna put some breadcrumbs on top.
Just sprinkle?
Yeah, well, a little pile. And then as these grill, the smokiness really works with the minerality of these oysters, the saltiness, the brininess, and then
the crunch from the
breadcrumbs. The crunch is nice, and then we can, do you want to shuck an oyster?
I'll let you do it.
I do it, and then.
You look like you'd be better.
Ow!
Now, one thing Matty, what's great about you and your cookbook as well is that you love to tell stories. You're a good storyteller,
I'm a storyteller.
both with your food.
That one's horrible.
And you told me a story, or I knew about a story that you and your brother used to have these competitions, that your dad would bet you to either, eat wasabi.
Eat wasabi, Tabasco. My dad was a mean person. He would just get his kids to eat spicy stuff. He wasn't mean.
He believed in making you tough, right? Okay, you put on there what you think your dad would dare you to have.
Okay.
All right.
There we go.
Okay.
Do you like spice?
I do.
Spice up your life.
Okay, 3.
Good morning, your morning. Okay. Was that okay?
So good.
That is tough. So now we're gonna make a turkey sandwich. That's all done. Let's not talk about oysters anymore.
Okay.
You can learn about that in my book or on my cookbook tour.
Or on your show, It's Supper Time on Gusto.
On Gusto! Gusto's great. My show at supper time's the best. Do you like turkey necks?
I do.
Oh my God, turkey necks are the best. This is called Mirepoix. Do you know Mirepoix?
No.
Mirepoix is like onion, celery, garlic. We're gonna make a base. We're gonna stew turkey necks. And the thing about turkey necks and hot turkey sandwiches is that most of the time they're just made with the breast. And I find that the breast is often dry. So what I like to do is layer turkey breast with braised turkey neck. And then all of a sudden you have a little bit of a juxtaposition.
Okay.
It's
in
really
the sandwich itself?
In the sandwich itself. And then you have breast, braised meat. Braised meat's really nice. Have you ever had turkey necks?
You know what? I've had them in curries before.
Curries, same
thing. My dad always said it adds all the flavor.
Yeah, this is like an English curry. Without any spice. Very bland. Let's pour some stock in there.
I've had a lot of spice today, my friend.
Want to pour the necks in there?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Now, I always imagined the necks were a little more bony and...
Well, they're bony, but these have been diced up very nicely. And then we braise these for a long time. Braising's nice. Throw some herbs in there if you want.
Perfect.
Do you like herbs? This is thyme. Smell that. Early morning, your morning. Time up your life.
We have lots of time.
We don't have lots of time. How much time do we have? Then you take turkey. 1 minute.
So we put the turkey here.
A hot turkey sandwich is, I think, one of the most iconic Canadian sandwiches ever there. Put some little bit of turkey neck meat on there. So that's been picked off the bone.
Yeah, obviously.
You can learn about this through my cookbook. My cookbook's a perfect cookbook.
So much flavor. And you don't toast your bread first, Matty.
No, you want it soft and wet and nothingness. You want it soft. Okay, that's good. And then you put more on top.
Okay.
And then you put this on there. And then push it down a little bit. Put some peas on top.
I love that you
turkey
add
sandwiches
the
are my
peas.
favorite. So many peas. Wait, we put gravy first. I messed up.
Well, I wondered.
Gravy first. Look at this action shot. Ooh. So much gravy. You want it to pool the entire plate. Now fill it up with peas.
All right.
This is the greatest. What are you saying?
And the peas make the best part because they add a little bit of that crunch, right? Like
crunch. They add nothing much. They're just green little circles. They're beautiful.
Of deliciousness. Gems. All right, that is it. We're out of time.
Oh.
It's all in there. But you can find these recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca. And of course, catch Matty's show. It's supper time, Fridays at 9 o'clock and 9:30 Eastern on Gusto, or get the cookbook.
Or get the cookbook and go to MattyMatheson.org. Find out everything you need to know about me and my book tour. My book tour is the best, coming through Canada.
Can't wait to see it.
World peace.
We'll be back.